Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be doing a Zudio beauty haul. I recently went to Bangalore and I went to the Zudio beauty store that's open there and I shopped a lot. And I'm going to show you everything I got because I just wanted to try everything. It all looks so nice. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now मैंने बहुत shopping की है. This whole bag is even from Zudio. This bag is also from Zudio. I'll mention some of the prices which are like ridiculously cheap, and then some of the prices I will just write down below. Starting off, I got this dry shampoo. Now I did a lot of trying and testing before buying. So I did try out, they had a tester. I tried out the dry shampoo and I was like, oh my god, this is amazing, it works well. I spend very little to be honest on dry shampoo. मैं नहीं यूज करती इतना, तो अगर मेरे को सस्ते में मिल रहा है एक जो मैं 4 महीने में एक बार यूज करती हूँ, I am good with it. This works very well. I really liked it, so I picked it up. And surprisingly, since I've gotten this, I've actually started using dry shampoos quite a bit. मैंने तो पुराने वाले भी निकाल के use कर लिए. Then I got 2 kajals, each for 79 rupees. This one's the shimmer kajal in the shade shimmer copper. This one is the intense kajal in the shade Z black. They're both enriched with vitamin E and they're smudge proof apparently, but I think ये बहुत बड़ा claim है to be smudge proof, so I'm definitely gonna try these out. And if you want like a try on, like a review sort of thing of these, please let me know. Then I got this moisturizing hand cream. Now the reason why I got this, like I said, मैंने सब चीज try करके सूंघ के देखा है एक एक चीज. I have not bought everything just like that, but I've really done my bit of do I want this, do I not want this whenever I bought any product, because there's so much. मैंने एक कार्ट बनाया, उसको आधा किया, उसको फिर से आधा किया, फिर जाके इतना सब कुछ खरीदा है. Even this, when I bought this, there's a reason why I got this hand cream. It is in the fragrance of vanilla. It has hyaluronic acid, but that's not the reason why. इसका जो smell है, there is this particular smell, and you will agree with me if you've tried this and if you've tried Kylie Cosmetics का lipstick. The basic lip kits. The Kylie Cosmetics lip kits, उनका जो smell है lipstick का, it's this exact vanilla flavor. My first black lipstick ever was the Kylie lip kit black lipstick, and मैं बैठ के वो lipstick सूंघती थी all the time because the smell was so good, and I was like, I will never find this anywhere in like a perfume or whatever. But I found it in a cream, a hand cream format in Zudio Beauty. I got this for 79 rupees, which is insane. I would pay a lot more for this, and honestly, winter season hai, my hands get really dry. I use this Bath and Body Works ka hand cream, but I think I'm gonna start using this now. Then I got 2 makeup wipes. One is an eye makeup wipe and the other one is a micellar makeup wipe. Basically makeup remover wipes. I'm assuming this one's a little bit more potent because it's eye makeup remover specifically. Each of these is for 29 rupees, which is insane. You get 10 sheets in each. So you're spending about 3 rupees a sheet, which is really good. They're not as potent as like oil or like micellar water in general, but the makeup wipes are really good. If you've just got very light makeup on, this is great for those. I will definitely be trying these and using this a lot more. I have another hand cream as well, which is the Berry Moisturizing Hand Cream. I probably got this for the smell only. मैं हैंड क्रीम सिर्फ सूंघ के पसंद करती हूँ. I don't try it on कि कैसा लग रहा है हाथ में. अगर मुझे स्मेल नहीं अच्छा लग रहा तो I will not buy it, because honestly hand cream ऐसा चीज है जो it will mix with your sweat, it will just stay on the whole day. You cannot have hand cream that does not smell good because you're stuck with it the whole day. Then I bought this pH oil, the color changing pH oil. Now I don't know how this works. I got this for 149 rupees. This one was overhyped a lot when the whole Zudio Beauty launch was happening. This one product was hyped a lot. I think I want to try this on and see how it works. It's apparently supposed to change color when you apply it depending on how your pH levels are on your lips apparently. It smells horrible. I'll be very honest with you, it smells horrible, but let's see how it works. It's moisturizing. It smells horrible. It's not an oil, it's a mixture between an oil and a gloss because it's very heavy compared to an oil. I've used lip oils and they're very light. This one's a lot heavier. So you let me know if the color is working and if it looks nice. If it doesn't, I would be looking like this for the rest of the video, and I'll move on to the next thing. The next thing I have is this cherry pie lip oil. It's a set of 3 lip oils. Now I got this because I had tried the tester for this PH lip oil. Like I just touched it and saw the consistency and I was like, ye lip oil nahi hai. But I actually wanted lip oil in general. Like I really like lip oils and I just wanted to get one, and I hope that this is that. Uske testers nahi milte. So I couldn't try out the tester for something like this. They had different colors and different fragrances. I couldn't even smell anything, but I just picked up what I liked the best. I got 3 of these for 199 rupees, and let's see if they're actually lip oils because mujhe wo curiosity thi. So the 3 fragrances, the 3 colors this is in is wine, red and berry. Again, very sticky for a lip oil. It's not exactly that. It's lighter than the PH oil, but it's still sticky. Lip oils are not supposed to feel like that, so I'm a little meh about this, but nonetheless it is what it is. I knew these would be a hit or miss, and this is clearly a miss for me. Next I have this Lip Shine lipstick. This one is in the shade Cherry Nectar. It's a brownish wine shade which has a lot of shimmer in it. I'm actually going to open it. I got this for 149 rupees. Now I didn't get this, actually mama got this. When I went shopping in Zudio, it was one of those days where I took a basket, gave it to my mother, and I told her, Mama, shop. And it was so surreal for me. Ek to pehle sab sasta tha, I could afford everything. Wo baat alag hai, but it was very surreal because I always wanted to give my mom the world, and it took a lot for me to get to a point where I can give her just gifts because she wants them, clothes because she wants them, stuff, just small things because she wants them, because it took many years of not having that, and then finally being able to just get her what she wants, and also then like letting her shop as much as she wants. So this was one of those days where I was like really proud of myself. Okay, like mom, I will get you whatever you want from the store. Now for 149, a shimmer lipstick is not bad. We actually did the testers and everything obviously, but acha laga ye wala. If you can see it, but this is a proper shimmer stick. This is how it looks when I swatch it. It's very shimmery, and if you're going for a wedding, this would be so good. I know mama picked it up for like parties or whatever. The next thing I got is a plum lip butter. It's in the shade Warm Kiss. I picked up 100 lipsticks and I shortlisted it down to this one because I really like this. It's a little bit more glossy. Again, I think all the lipsticks and liquidy lipsticks that are there in Zudio Beauty are a little bit more glossy, a little bit more heavier. They're not lightweight, so be very mindful of that. Next, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lipsticks from Zudio. They're each for 99 rupees. The reason why I got these is to do a swatches video for you guys, so look forward to that video coming up very soon. Most of them are browns and darker shades. All of them are very clearly made for Indian skin tones, and they're really nice lipsticks. I really like them, but when I use them, then only will I be able to comment more. So I'm gonna do a swatches and review video on these very soon. But I got 8 of these for 99 each. Some of the shades are really nice. Moving on, I got perfumes. I picked up a lot of perfumes, and I picked up perfumes in the funniest way. The store attendant that was there, she is very patient with me. She helped me smell every perfume in the store so I could pick these up, and I'm very particular about the perfumes I use. I know कि Zudio Beauty ke perfumes are not going to last more than 1 to 2 hours, but I like smelling good in general, so that's why I picked these up for like my shorter trips, because I don't want to use my nicer perfumes when like I'm going out for 2 hours. I don't want to do that. Gym ke liye ye अच्छे हैं because my day is sitting at home working and then going to the gym. So अगर मैं 2 घंटे के लिए gym जा रही हूँ, I'm not going to use my nicer perfumes that have the longevity of like hours and hours and hours. These are perfumes that will not last very long. They're very temporary, and that's why I picked these up. So the first one is called Miami. This one is for 299 rupees. It's a little bit more expensive compared to the other stuff in Zudio, but entirely worth it. I very rarely use women's perfumes. I'm inclined towards the men's perfumes, but this one was really good. Then I got Free, which is a smaller one, and this one I got for 199 rupees. Then I got Beach Break, and this one is for 299 again. This one's a very refreshing perfume. I remember this so well. I remember the smell so well because it was so good. Then I got Ciao. It is a men's perfume. I'm always inclined towards men's perfumes. This one's 199 rupees. This one is Madrid. This one also smells incredible. This city range that they have has very nice perfumes that smell incredible. I picked up 2 of those and I just wanted to get the whole range. Honestly, all of it was so good. And then at checkout, when I was finally billing everything, I got this Pisces perfume, this mini, which I want to keep in my swim bag, my gym bag. This one I got for 79 rupees. I only picked it up because it's Pisces. देखा था मैं Pisces हूँ. Now apart from the perfumes, I got 2 things which are like my lifesavers because I don't wear a lot of makeup and मुझे makeup निकालने में और भी सुस्ती होती है. So I got micellar water and these cotton pads. Now I was shooting a swatches video and baby oil से भी वो lipstick नहीं हट रहा था and ये micellar water से अच्छे से हट गया. This micellar water is for 99 rupees. It's so good. I'm definitely going to restock on this. You can clearly see that I've used it. I got 2 of these. I gave one to my bhabhi. This is for 79 rupees. I think you get 100 cotton pads, which is great. Nykaa also has a similar range on this, but Nykaa is more expensive. Honestly, cotton se leke makeup utar ke ye fenkna hi. It's a one-time use thing, and I would rather get a cheaper version of this than spend a lot on these. But nonetheless, these 2 products have been just so good. All of this I got from Zudio Beauty, and then jo baaju wala dukaan tha, which is Zudio, I picked up a few more things. I got my Diwali dress from there, but I also got a couple of things that are just worth mentioning. I got these 2 clips for 99 rupees, this set, and they're so cute. The quality is incredible. I love it. Very cute clips. I got my favorite clip. I love it. मैं सिंधी हूँ, मुझे gold सब कुछ बहुत पसंद है. And those 2 unfortunately don't fit my hair, so they're very small for me. This one surprisingly is just so good. I saw the same thing in Accessorize, I think for 2000 rupees, and I was like, what the heck? This is like 99 rupees. This was 99 rupees in Zudio. It was so good. If you ever go to Zudio, pick up these clips. They're so good. They're so sturdy. And I'm chindi. मैं 20 रुपए का linking note से लेती हूँ. But this metal one feels so good. I loved it. Then obviously because I was so impressed with the quality of things there, I picked up these hairbands also. This is a set which was for 99 rupees. 2 of these came for 99 rupees together. And I have not tried this one, but this one I very clearly wear very often. It's so good. It's so cute. I love it. I feel like myself. I feel like myself when I wear this. I love it. But this is the end of my video. This is all I got. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed filming this video because finally मैं ये सब use करने वाली हूँ. और हाँ, ये बैग भी Zudio से है, which is बहुत टाइम से एक कॉर्नर में पड़ा हुआ, but now भाजी के लिए यूज करेंगे हम. This we got for 29 rupees. They had like a bunch of these which were rolled up and you could just pick your color like this. So I just liked the combination and I picked it up. Cloth bag ke liye 29 rupees, great stuff. Now, if you like this video, you give it a thumbs up, okay? And then if you shop from Zudio Beauty, you comment below, okay? Now, you tell people that you subscribe to my channel. Then I will give Mama kisi. Hello. Yeah, the meme hai. So you better subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time. Bye.